Dude, check this out. We're here in Park City picking up the Manistrad's Jeep right in front of Clayton's shop right over here. Got the SVR, we're locking it down. I'm still wearing sandals because I obviously forgot my sneakers. It's like the ultimate Stradman vlog. Whoa, that's right. What's up, James? Check that out. And check this out, guys. The check engine light is still, oh my God. Yodeling Stradman. There he is, dude, in the Jeep. All these mountains, dude, in Utah. It kind of reminds me of those yodelers on top of mountain peaks. Is it the Swiss Alps or I don't know where their yodelers are from, but dude, views on views, I guess? Yeah. Seeing exotic cars here in Utah is a completely different experience than that of Los Angeles. Dude, Los Angeles not making a great case for itself right now. You see exotics everywhere. You don't really appreciate them, but out here, pretty damn nice. And the weather is amazing. Ooh, we might get an acceleration. Hold on. Hold on here, guys. I was writing that earlier, and I think James is trying to tell me to get a Lambo. He's making a pretty convincing case right now, but SVR still got the check engine light, by the way. Hope you guys enjoying the footage in Utah. But man, we gotta head back to Los Angeles for the holidays, but oh yeah. This is pretty interesting here. Makes and Models has a TV that loops Stradman's videos on this big screen. Dude, big celebrity here, guys. Ooh, Eurus. Nice. Alright guys, you guys gotta make sure to check out the Stradman's channel and his video of the exhaust install. So here it is, FI exhaust. I think they're gonna shoot some flames. FI exhaust or Star Dropper? You guys let me know in the comments below which is louder. That is nuts. Sick. There it is, guys. This super dirty Jag that I just washed last night. You can't really see how dirty it is. I'll show you guys later, but I had to wipe this. I had to basically get the salt off the car, but we'll be headed out of here and grabbing some dinner. But dude, Utah is super nice. Everyone's friendly. They're saying hello, goodbye. They're not yelling at me. There's no honking, no swearing, but yeah, sorry guys, this car doesn't spit flames. There it is, guys. Last night here in Utah, headed to Vegas. Gotta say goodbye to the Strad garage here, guys. Which one will you choose, the R8 or the Gallardo? Oh, hello. Whoa, how's it going, mate? Hey, there he is.
I think you have a V10 in your future. Did you stop recording?
No, I'm still recording. What was that?
I think you have a V10 in your future, right?
To be continued.
Oh,
to be continued.
Colorado Springs, 2019 road trip. Let's
go. Easy. So much pressure. There she is, boys and girls. The city of sin, Las Vegas. The strip is all the way down there. Made it here in record time. No cops. Got the Waze and the check engine light. Just rocking it here. But dude, there you guys have it. What do you guys think about Utah? Beautiful state. Many thanks to Stradman and Nick hooking it up, show me around. But dude, this car is absolutely caked in grime, dust, salt, bugs, just absolute garbage. My goodness, this is the dirtiest this SVR has ever been. Dude, I've been filming and this guy legit just popped the trunk. There's these two huge Mondo dogs in the trunk of that SUV right over there. Dude, guys, we're back in Los Angeles. Check out Max Showstack's new whip, the 335i. Is it 2009? Yep. 2009, completely stopped. Whoa, hold on now, hold on. Uh-oh. Don't worry, he's reverting that back to stock, but everything else is pretty, it's pretty clean. The Golf GTI is actually being sold this weekend. The camera's not focusing, it's a black car, but dude, check it out. Everyone's getting new cars. First we got the Stradman rocking with the Aventador that spits fire. And now Max Showstack show me up with the 335i BMW right over here. Are these authentic BMW badges?
Yeah, I think they're original.
From factory? I didn't know they were this light. I thought they'd be more hefty.
Hefty.
Hefty with weight, motherfucker. The weight. What the hell is a road atlas? Oh, that's super old school. Dude, that reminds me. Hold on, check this out. Come to my Prius, guys. Yes, I have the Prius. I too have maps. Right here, baby. Max. Check this out. Oh, I got the AAA maps of San Francisco.
Oh. Yeah, but mine came from BMW.
Oh.
That's how people used to travel.
That's how we used to travel, man. That shows you my age right there. Look how many maps I have right here. Would you like a map? Holy shit.
Holy shit.
What? This was from Palo Alto Mountain View. The City Series AAA maps. Wow. Gee. Before we do the loop, there it is. The badge of fuck boy right there. The black BMW badge. All Max needs is a black and yellow plate. Check this guy out. It's a green Bentley with a fake Los Angeles plate. But wait until you see the wheels. We're gonna get alongside this guy. We're in Max's new whip right here, the BMW 335i. This is a sight to holy shit. Yes! Yes! Those are some legit, like, South Florida donk vibes right there. Hold on. There it is. A thing of beauty spotted in the wild. Dude, that's straight up donk status all the way here in Los Angeles. Look at those buttes. Whew. There she is, Mount Fuji. That's right, guys, we're back in Japan. It's 2019, New Year's. We're gonna hit it off strong. We got a really good selection of cars out here. Testarossa is not stock. Let's walk around and see what we got, baby. Coming in hot. That is not stock. Sick. So we have the Lamborghini Bull right above the Lamborghini badge, just in case you guys didn't know. There it is, guys. Diablo GTR, polishing it in freezing weather. It is currently, I don't even know how cold it is. It was pretty damn cold. We got the Enzo on black wheels over here. White Testarossa, Miami Vice. Check out the gas cap on this Enzo here. Hold on, just wait for it. Oh, carbon fiber, baby. Just like that. And got the blacked out wheels, looking pretty damn sick.
What is this guy?
Pretty good turnout so far at the secret meet of the first day. Oh, a Bentley sandwich in between the two trucks. Pretty good turnout on the secret meet on the first day of 2019. We got a bunch of Countaches. Dude, check out the color. Oh my goodness. With the seat covers nonetheless. Oh yeah. Let's check out this Ferrari. The wheels, the side skirts, and the rear diffuser, and the wing. And what's most important is the sticker. A legend board in Maranello. Dude, this P1 is in race mode. You guys gotta check this out. Hold on. The blue wrapping is still on from factory. That's how we do it in Japan, baby. Whoop. Sounds like an Aventador. Oh. Gallardo. I've been mispronouncing Gallardo. Come on, man. Gallardo. Everyone's been knocking on me for mispronouncing Gallardo, guys. I apologize. That blue on the Performante? Pretty nice. Oh, hello. So cute. As you can tell, there's a huge difference here from the LA car culture and that of the Tokyo car culture. Obviously the cars here are sicker and cooler and rarer and obviously more modified, like this F430. I think it's a Haman kit. Whoa. Anyways, but that being said, not a lot of fuckboys here. More older businessmen and gentlemen. And of course we got the Mini Cooper with the British flag seats. Check that out. What the heck? Countach has got quite a few stickers. Dang. And it's got the outline, the neon outline, the zerosports.co.jp. And the Diablo in blue. The car culture here is immensely more respectable than that of Los Angeles. Thank God I'm not in Los Angeles. back in the Alford and roll out, baby. We got the V-Spec 2 Nur Edition Nismo GTR and the End Attack GTR. Mr. Mira and his son both own those cars. Countach. Sick color on the Diablo VT. Picked up a few snackaroos at the local stop here. Check this out. Highway Information Terminal shows you the traffic and the ETAs of where you want to go. Pretty sick. Currently here at the local rest stop. Got some snackaroos over here. Checked it out. And the Fanta, what even is that?
Great.
We're not entirely sure. Currently here at Daikaku on our quest to find a new spirit animal for the Alford. Are any of these potential candidates? Most likely not. And we got a Monchichi baby figure. That looks, oh dude. Nope. Look at these dogs here. They're so cute. Alfa Romeo 8C. That sounds pretty good. I think some cars are rolling through here, guys, but we're back at Daikaku. Everyone's favorite 24/7, non-stop, most eclectic car show known to mankind. And of course, we got the Motorrad car right over here. Check out the rear tires on this thing as well. On this Malibu. This guy's ready to go to the drag strip. And of course, got the 10-foot long exhaust pipes on the Motorrad car and the double wing. Sick. See, this is something you don't see every day in Los Angeles or in the States. You got a massive wing on the Maserati and a body kit as well. Leave nothing stock. Oh, and he's got the AC parked all the way in the corner by its lonely self, just chilling. I don't think Officer Pena would appreciate the car like that in Los Angeles, guys. Oh, I think he's gonna do it. Guys, we're making a quick pit stop here at Tatsumi, and oh, God bless everyone, no exceptions. Trump make America great again. Fuck your hands off. Currently just waiting for a couple cars to show up here at Tatsumi. It's a little slow today, but hope you guys enjoying the footage here in Japan. Here for the next 2 weeks, and I'm staring at this hot manual casual frozen foods vending machine. We're gonna have lunch in a little bit, but if you guys want me to choose something from this menu, let me know in the comments below what I should get next time we're here at Tatsumi. So I think I'm gonna stick with the hot dog. Next door. Nice guy. I'm gonna guess he's gonna do a little launch control on the straightaway right here for us. So here we go. He's going for him. The Ferrari. Woo. Casually perusing through this interesting shop of Japanese goodies. Check this out, guys. Hold on, wait for it. It's an entire book on cat balls. I kid you not. Let's open and inspect. Yup. Cat balls, cat balls, cat balls.
Demonetized.
Demonetized. No! All these books are on cats. We got cat paws. There's everything and anything. Whatever your heart desires.